Sprunki at school. This laptop makes taking notes a breeze. Well, as long as you don't mess with the keys. They say life is like a box of chocolates. And as they also say, la vie en rose. In other words, life's better in pink. Especially when that pink is pinky. And look, your very own keyboard. Hey, it's Jevin. Haven't seen him in a while. And a whole bunch of our Sprunki friends. This rainbow's all wet. Makes sense. But look at all the treasures inside. Ooh, could this be a pot of gold? It's something even better. Slime! I would have spent the gold on slime anyway. After all, just see what it can do. We can whip up some familiar faces.
Yay!
Hi everyone, it's Oren, but you're missing something.
Uh-huh.
Much better. Now you need some company.
Yes.
Let's fix that. And here are your backpacks. And just in time, school's about to begin. There goes the bell. Quick, don't want to be late. Looks like we're starting with chemistry class. Okay, Semi-Hemi, pick your ingredients. Whoa, apple, candy, and a rainbow. Mix it together and we've got water beads. An A+. Okay, Sky, it's your turn next. Let's see, a heart, a unicorn, and a bit of magic. And what's more magic than glitter slime? Hey, look! The A+ already comes included. Okay then, we've got sugar, we've got everything nice, so it looks like Ratty's cooking with spice. And then things are getting hot, hot, hot! Can someone turn on the air conditioner? Well, guess a plumber's work is never done. The weather forecast didn't call for rain, but it does now. Well, maybe Ratty can have an A for effort. Of course, you can't have school without drama. And no, we're not talking school plays. Poor Aqua, she's all alone. And prom's tomorrow. Don't worry, a switch card will fix everything. Well, not everything. Now Pinky's all alone. Wow, never knew that was a real straw. Or that Aqua could be so transparent. Don't worry, refills are free around here. It's okay, there's plenty of fish in the sea. And by fish, I mean Simon. He's available. Another day, another bus ride. Just remember, there's no sweets on board. Guess it's time for some X-rays. Lollipops! And you would have gotten away with it too. Okay, you're clear now. Get on the bus. Come on down, Pinky. It's your turn. Well, that explains the polka dot top. Honestly, the driver did you a favor. And last but not least, it's Tunner's turn. He's clean, Well, we'll tip your hat to… What the… Caught you! You know, I always wondered about that hat. Okay, everybody, buckle up. Here we go. Guess Aqua's getting in her steps today. And she's getting plenty of rest with all that sleeping in.
Oops.
You need some wheels. And look, a bike! It's a bit of a fixer-upper, so let's fix it up. Don't worry, this'll pump you right up. Okay, Aqua, time to get pedaling. Lunchtime already? My kind of school. Okay, everybody, have your orders ready. Okay, Sky. First, a burger and fries. And it's time to think inside the bun. Now let's get the grill going. Just hear that sizzle. Of course, you need some greens. And cheese. 'Cause without cheese, it's just a burger. Now let's whip you up that strawberry shake. Whoa, check out that tip. Next up, Durple. You want a hot dog and orange juice. Come on, little doggy. Can't forget the mustard. Wow, rush hour comes earlier every day. Oh no! Binaria's energy levels are down! Don't worry, one meat lover special coming right up. Uh-oh, I think you mixed things up a bit. Everyone calm down. This is a cafeteria. If you want fast food, you should really order in. Okay, that's it. It's time to ring the alarm. We're closed. Besides, don't you kids have classes? Professor Aurelia's class is in session. Binaria, can you solve the equation? We gotta move the line so it makes sense. Is there a mathematician in the house? It's your turn, Durple. Maybe the sign's the trick. Guess not.
Ouch! Meh.
Don't worry, Ratty. 3's your lucky number.
Yay!
Next up, a word jumble. Just what class is this? Just keep calm and try to work out the words. Sprunki's the word. And look, there's my best friends, too. Huh, that was fun. You're on a roll. What's next? We have to pick the right semi-hemi?
What?
Come on, can a semi-hemi really be wrong? Okay, let's ask the audience for help. Do we go with 2 or call a friend? We're right, and we passed the class. Aw, looks like Clucker's having a bad day. Ooh, I wonder what he put in his locker. And we are the hall monitors, I think. His wallet is all full of litter? Why don't we give Clucker a fun surprise? And take his locker on a special treasure hunt. Just make sure that everything's, well, treasure.
Wow! Ouch!
Well, look on the bright side. At least the money's okay.
Ouch!
But we won't be if you lose your last life. Either way, let's fill up Clucker's wallet. And wait for Mr. Locker to give him a big surprise. Surprise, Clucker! You're in the money! Time for class. Remember, kids, no phones. Don't think Wenda got the message. Okay, the race begins. Who will get the phone first? Wenda versus Professor Oaxis. Who will win? Looks like you've got mini games in here. Try to collect treasures on the way too. Dead ends for both, but not for long. Maybe you'll get it back in June. How about a round 2? Oh, you're going the same way. Maybe we can help. Try some water. It's refreshing, but you really just rent it. It's time for a little bathroom break. Which is just the break Wenda needs, too. Great success! Let's celebrate! Phones for all! But maybe put it on mute this time. Ooh, it's hot. You know, a little AC would be appreciated. Careful, you need that paper for our next craft. Pinky sure has a face for merchandise. But she'll always be her own biggest fan. Pinky can be a little shy at times. But she still knows when to open up. It's time to get Gone with the Wind. Now it's your turn, Blue. Any ideas? Once again, it's cardboard to the rescue. But I wonder what you're making. Whatever it is, it involves a bottle. Oh, I see. It's your very own water cooler. I mean, you could just drink from the bottle. But where would the fun in that be?
Woo!
Besides, Aqua always wanted to be a mascot. Twist the cap and enjoy some blue juice. Refreshing. You can tell it's cold because it's blue. Uh-oh, you're out of ink. It's our printer all over again. Don't worry, your Sprunki friends can help. Sky always wanted to be in a band. A cotton swab? I think we should use the clean side. Either way, cover it up with double-sided tape. Now it's time to stack our Sprunkies. It's almost like a rainbow. Sorta. Kinda. Dip it in ink and write your heart out. And you can even change colors. The best part, it's made with love. Remember, in math, it's best to use a pencil. Or at least one of those erasable pens. On second thought, maybe use a calculator. So why don't we make one ourselves? And can you tell who's a real math whiz? How about I give you a little hint? It's someone who's really into spring. That's right, it's Vineria. Don't forget her flowers. That's right, 2 plus 2 is 4. Seems so obvious now. Ooh, a Pop-It toy. Oh, careful with those nails. Seriously, we lose more Pop-It toys this way. Well then, we'll just need to make a new toy. First, we need to make a cube. It's Sky. But remember, cubes are three-dimensional. Otherwise, they'd just be a bunch of squares. Oh, so that's what Sleeping Beauty's been up to. I don't think she'll mind if we borrow some slime. We can store it in our secret Sky box. While we're at it, don't forget his ears, or his cowlick. It's kind of his trademark. Give him a squeeze and he'll share the goop. Time for the big math test. Did you bring your calculator? Of course, at this point, she'll settle for a new pencil. Well, maybe good old Lilac Lily can help. She's getting promoted to pencil sharpener. And it keeps the shavings all in one place. Just don't forget to clean it out now and then. Now ace that test, assuming you studied. It's important to look your best. What? No makeup? Next, they'll change the dress code to rags. But it's okay. I'm sure you'll draw up a solution. Like your very own paper compact. But it's looking a little flat. Add some stuffing. Now it's your very own Sprunki makeup kit. Why don't we try a little powder first? Wow! Talk about a transformation! It's always nice to see friends help each other. Except, of course, when it's quiz time. Looks like he let you off with a warning. But you still need to switch seats. Uh-oh, looks like she's got a craft idea up her sleeve. If only she put this much effort into studying. Of course, no one ever suspects Oren. Or Ratty. Or Funbot. He's a smart one. That's why he's joining our space program.